Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. Today we will continue chapter 4th, Understanding Windows 10. Okay, in previous class I have explained you about Windows 10. I gave you an overview of Windows 10 and I have explained you about operating system and its use. Okay, and today I will explain you some features of Windows 10 which makes it different from other operating systems. Okay, and then I will explain you about taskbar. Okay, so starting with features of Windows 10. See, although many features of Windows 10 are same as previous versions of Windows, but there are some tools like Cortana search tool which makes it different. Okay, like using Cortana we can search to the web directly. Okay, and we can also give voice command for searching. Okay, next very important feature is that we can open multiple desktop at the same time using task view. Okay, and Windows 10 it's more safe and secure in comparison of previous versions of Windows. Okay, and it gives us many built-in applications or apps called universal apps like weather. Okay, uh, where you can get latest update about weather, and it gives you news app where you can see news, daily news. Okay, so there are many universal applications. Okay, so these are some features which makes Windows 10 different from other versions of Windows. Okay, now I will start explaining you about Windows taskbar. As I told you in last class that after switching on a computer, the first window which appears is called the desktop, and there are many small graphical pictures on the desktop which are called icons, and at the bottom of the desktop we have the taskbar. So this bar is called the taskbar. The taskbar is very important part of desktop. It is a long horizontal bar which located at the bottom of the desktop, and it is divided into some sections about which we will discuss now. Okay, so in taskbar, the first section is in which we have the start button option. Okay, see, this start button is contains all the options, all the applications that we have stored in the system. Okay, it is called the start menu actually. Okay, so as in menu we can see the list of each and everything we have. So here also in start menu we can see the list of all the applications stored in our computer system. We just need to click on start button and it shows the list from where we can choose any file, any folder, any application we can open. Okay, then in middle section, okay, in middle section of taskbar it shows icons of all the opened applications. Okay, and some applications like Internet Explorer or Chrome or Windows Media Player means some basic applications, and my folder, my document folder. So these are some icons which appears in the middle section, and as you open any new application, so that icon also appears in the middle section of taskbar. Next part of taskbar is notification area. Okay, the right side of the taskbar is known as the notification area. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so this last part of the taskbar is called notification area. It includes the clock and some group of icons where we have the volume option, where we have the battery option, where we have the software update option, and connectivity option means network connectivity option. Okay, so these all options are present in notification area. Okay, and at the corner, the most right part of the desktop. It is the extreme right of the taskbar. You all can see here. I am showing you this here. This is called the peak button. Okay, so this peak button is used to close all the not to close, to minimize all the open programs, and just it shows you the desktop. Okay, means suppose if you have open number of application and you want to jump to the desktop directly, so just click on that peak button and you will directly jump to the desktop. All the open applications will be minimized. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, in the next class I will explain you some more features of taskbar, means how you can move and lock the taskbar, and how to change desktop icons and wallpapers. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.